Today, I'll show you how to lock the time zone in Calendly so that your events always display in your local time. This is especially helpful if you work with people across different regions and want to avoid confusion about when a meeting actually starts. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find this setting and how to apply it confidently. First, start by opening Calendly and heading to your dashboard where you see all of your event types. Look for the specific event type you want to adjust. This could be a 15-minute meeting, a discovery call, a consultation, or any other event type you've created. On that event type card, you'll see an option to edit it. Click the edit button. This is your main way to change how that particular event behaves, including its duration, availability, and in this case, time zone settings. Once you're inside the editing view for that event type, look for the section called Scheduling Settings. This is where Calendly groups all the options that control when and how people can book time with you. Click into the Scheduling Settings section to open up more detailed options. Inside Scheduling Settings, you'll see a number of controls related to your availability, such as your working hours, date ranges, and other preferences. What you're looking for is a link or option labeled Additional Rules for Your Availability. Go ahead and click Additional Rules for Your Availability. This expands a more advanced set of controls that fine-tune how your event is offered, including things like buffer times and, importantly, how the time zone is handled. After you've opened the additional rules, scroll or look carefully until you find the time zone display drop-down menu. This menu determines how the time zone appears to invitees who are viewing your booking page. By default, Calendly may show times adjusted to the visitor's local time, which can be convenient but sometimes leads to misunderstandings if you want everyone to reference one consistent time zone. Click on the time zone display drop-down menu. You'll see different options, but the one you're interested in is the setting that locks the time zone. Select the option labeled Locked, which ensures that your event times are shown only in your local time. This means that instead of automatically converting times for each visitor, Calendly will display the schedule according to the time zone set on your account or specified for that event. This is useful when you want people to plan around your time zone. For example, if you always operate on a specific city or region's time. Once you've selected Locked in the time zone display drop-down, you're almost done. It's important now to make sure these changes are actually applied. Look for the Save button on the page and click Save. Without saving, Calendly will not update your event type with the new time zone behavior, so this step is essential. After you save, your event type is now configured to show all available times strictly in your local time zone. You can preview the booking page to double-check that everything looks right and that the time is clearly labeled. From now on, anyone who visits that event link will see times locked to your chosen time zone, helping reduce confusion and last-minute rescheduling.